everyone, welcome to our book today, and the name of the book that we are going to begin with is Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 6 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with another chapter today, and the name of the chapter is Interesting Bugs, chapter number 3. We will discover various kinds of bugs in this chapter. The question says, discover and learn about some interesting bugs. This is the bug. Can you see the bug given over here in this picture? Can you imagine which bug is this? This is a lice, जिसको हम जू भी बुलाते हैं. Lice comes in two types, chewing or biting lice, and the second one is sucking lice. They usually live on the human scalp, eyebrows, and eyelashes also, feeding on the blood. So they feed on the blood. Their bites cause itching, and an adult louse can live up to 1 month on a person's head. Next we have dragonflies. This is a dragonfly. They have long, strong bodies and they come in many colors. They have big eyes and they are known for their fast movements, making them one of the quickest insect. Next, we move on to the mosquitoes. This is the image of the mosquito. Mosquitoes, they spread diseases like yellow fever, dengue and malaria. Female mosquito causes itching and irritation when they bite. Next we have another bug which is called as termite, या फिर हम इसको कहते हैं दीमक. Termite, also called as white ants, have soft bodies and they are lighter in color than ants. They eat dead plants, trees and woods, damaging the furniture. This was all about the bugs of this page. Let's now move to the next page. The next bug that we see here on the next page is the picture of a spider. Spiders, they have 8 legs and they have 2-part bodies. They make silk webs to catch insects and they are found almost everywhere in the world. Next we have the grasshoppers. Grasshoppers usually jump or crawl, but many can also fly. Then they eat only plants. They have antennae on their heads for touching and smelling. They also have special eyes that let them see in all directions at once. That means वो अपनी eyes से सारी directions में एक बार में देख सकता है. Then we have a quick fact for these bugs, and it says that ladybugs grow to 8 to 10 millimeters long and they have short legs and bright colored bodies with black, yellow or red spots. They live for about 4 weeks and their life is 4 weeks. Then we have your answer, please children. Which is the place where spiders can't survive? So you have to look out for the answers कि ऐसी कौन सी जगह है जहाँ पे spiders survive नहीं कर सकते हैं. So with this we have done the reading portion of this chapter. Let's move to the activity part. The activity part of this chapter is the quiz time. In this quiz time, they have given you certain pictures. Very easy. Insects, these can be identified very easily. Can you name these bugs? Yes, of course. I know you will be able to name them. You will name them. Pick the correct answer from the list below. They have given you the Options also, the help desk is given. Now this activity is for you children. You have to do this on your own. Fill the names of these respective bugs from the help desk here. So with this, we have now completed the chapter. I hope you must have gathered a vast knowledge about the bugs from this chapter. Well, thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.